Good morning, one and all. I am J. Pravina, working as a lecturer in TTRRDC Medak. Today we will discuss about differential equation. In this lecture, we have learned about what is introduction of differential equation, invention of differential equation, order and degree of differential equation, formation of differential equation, ordinary differential equations, solution of the differential equation for various methods, and application of differential equation is also. After completed this session, students will have able to learn what is differential equation, and students can identify what is order and degree of the differential equation. Students also can identify difference of the differential equation to general solution and particular solution, and students can solve formation of differential equation, and students can solve exercise problems also. Let us discuss about some topic of general. Most of the people think maths is very hard with problems, but other side of maths is it has solution for every problem. Yes, how beautiful it is. You need to have taste of maths, you fall in love with maths. Now coming to the topic. Before starting my class, show me a famous personality. Can you guess, students, who he is? Yes, I think you have recognized. Yes, it is a famous personality, Alfred Nobel. After seeing the picture, what that comes in your mind? That is highest Nobel Prize in Asia, which is the highest recognized given to any scientist. In 1905, the first award was given many fields like physics, chemistry, peace, literature and psychology, medicine also. Later on, economics was added in 1968. Now students, do you notice anything here? We don't have mathematics in abolished. Don't we have any highest medal for the mathematicians? No, my dear students, even we do have nothing but it is field medal given to the International Mathematical Union. It is called field medal. It is equivalent to Nobel Prize. It is equals to Nobel Prize. For every 3-4 years given to 3-4 members people to give this award for mathematician to recognize medal outstanding performance of mathematical achieved. Now let us discuss about what is differential equation. What is differential equation? First of all, general we speak, whenever we see, we observe changes. For example, whenever we see, we observe changes in the surroundings. For example, atmosphere changes and the temperature in the room is also changes per a day. Similarly, whenever we speak, what is temperature of increasing or decreasing, how much in the day. So presently situation is very bad. Why? Because due to attack COVID-19 positive cases very much. So do you know how much increasing COVID-19 positive cases or decreasing COVID-19 positive cases per a day? So how to calculate it? It is using of differential equations. How to use? That is rate of weight the COVID-19 positive cases increasing or decreasing per a day. That is known as differentiation. So as said you, differential equation is always used to predict the world around us. Even and differential equation is very useful day-to-day life. Differential equation is used not only in physics, chemistry, economics and medicine is also. So I hope think understanding of the differential equations in general way. So differential equation means rate of change or slope. Slope means slope is given bend of the curve, how much of the curve at the point is differential equation. Differential equation is denoted general dy by dx or d square y by dx square. So it is differential equation general. So before we know the differential equation, what is history of the history of the differential equation. So first of all, where we origin of differential equation. So in mathematics, history of differential equation traces the development of differential equation from calculus itself independently invented by English physicist Isaac Newton and German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz. The history of the subject of differential equation in concays from a synopsis of the recent article, The History of Differential Equations in 1670 and 1915. So, are you able to see, students? It is first personality is Isaac Newton and second famous personality is famous mathematician Gottfried Leibniz. So now let us discuss about differential equation. Before we know the differential equation, first of all we know the what is equation. So what is equation? Equation is equation means mathematical statement consisting if an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 9. 2x plus 3 equals to 9. It is 3 and 9 is the constant terms and 2x is constant and variable term. So it is term. So it is algebraic expression 1 and it is also one algebraic expression. So both are two mathematical statements between two algebraic expressions by using equal symbol. So that is known as equation. So next we discuss about differential equation. Differential equation and equation involving derivatives. You know in previous what is derivative? Derivative means rate of the change of function. So an equation involving derivatives, one or more dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable is called differential equation. So first of all, what is dependent and independent variable? Let us check one example. For example, x plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 6. For example, if we take x is equals to 1, we substitute in above equation 1 plus y is equals to 6. Then y is equals to 6 minus 1. Then y is equals to 5. So in this example, we take x is equals to 1 and what we will get? Y value. Y is equals to 5. So y value is depends on x value. So that's why x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. And differential equation is an equation involving derivatives. Derivative means dy by dx or d square y by dx, d square y by dx square, and dependent or independent variables involving is called differential equation. So differential equation. So generally differential equation dy by dx plus y equals to 0. It is the example of differential equation. So next, classification of the differential equation. Differential equation is two types. One is ordinary differential equation, another one is partially differential equation. Differential equations is two types. One is ordinary differential equation, another one is partially differential equation. Again, ordinary differential equation order wise classify into two types, that is first order differential equation and highest order differential equation. And degree wise is also classification two types, that is linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. And partial differential equation is also same. according to classify is order wise. It is first order partial differential equation and second order higher order partial differential equation. Again, first order differential equation classify into two types, that is linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. Same as well as highest order partial differentiation is classified into also two types, that is linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. So first of all, now let us discuss about ordinary differential equation. So ordinary differential equation, an equation involving ordinary derivatives, one or more dependent variable, ordinary derivatives and one or more dependent variable with respect to one single independent variable. One single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. So for example, ordinary differential equation dy by dx plus y is equals to 1. So an equation involving ordinary derivatives, one or more dependent variable and respect to one single independent variable. In this example, y is only dependent variable and x is only one independent variable. So only one dependent and only one single independent variable and its ordinary derivatives is known as ordinary differential equation. So we observe another example, d square y by dx square plus 9 into dy by dx plus 5y equals to 0. So here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable So only one dependent and one independent variable is there. So that's why it is ordinary differential equation. Next, let us discuss about what is partial differential equation. Partial differential equation is an equation involving partial derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable is called partially differential equation. In ordinary differential equation, we can use only one dependent variable and one single independent variable, that is known as ordinary differential equation. But partially differential equation involving partial derivatives, one or more dependent variable and one or more independent variables is called partially differential equation. For example, partially differential equation dou y by dou x and dou y by dou u plus dou y by dou v equals to 0. An equation involving partial derivatives. So derivatives, it is ordinary derivative is denoted dy by dx or d square y by dx square, and partially derivatives is denoted dou y by dou x, dou square y by dou x square, so dou cube y by dou x cube, so on. So dou y by dou x plus dou y by dou u plus dou y by dou v equals to 0. Here only one dependent variable, that is y. Here y is dependent variable and x, u, v are independent variables, that is partially differential equation. So partially differential equation means an equation involving partial derivatives, one or more dependent variable and one or more single independent variables is called partially differential equation. I hope understand what is ordinary differential equation, and now we will move to next. Next we discuss about order and degree. So first of all, do you know what is order and what is degree? So now first we will discuss about what is order. Order means the order is the highest derivative of the given differential equation is known as order of the differential equation. Is as differential equation. Order means the order is the highest derivative of the differential equation. For example, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y equals to 4x cube plus 24. Here ordinary derivative means it is dy by dx and d square y by dx square. dy by dx is order derivative only one. d square y by dx square. So it is second derivative. So what is the definition of the order of differential equation? The order of the differential equation highest derivative. In this above example, what is highest derivative? d square y by dx square. So it is 2. So that's why what is the order of the differential equation? It is 2. Next, dy by dx plus y square is equals to 5. In this example, dy by dx is only 1. Highest derivative is 1. So that's why derivative is only 1. So that's why what is order of the differential equation? It is 1. Next, we observe some more examples of order. So d square y by dx square plus xy equals to sin x. In this example also highest derivative is 2. So the order of the differential equation is 2. Next, d cube y by dx cube plus x dy by dx plus y is equals to e to the power of x. In this example, highest derivative is dy by dx is derivative is 1. Then d cube y by dx cube is derivative is 3. So the given differential equation order is 3. I hope understand what is order. Next, degree. So let us discuss about what is degree of the differential equation. Degree of the equation is nothing but exponent of the highest derivative. Let us some examples. In this example, dy by dx whole square plus y is equals to 5x square. Only dy by dx is whole square plus y is equals to 5x square. dy by dx order is 1. dy by dx is 1. The power is 2. So in this example, dy by dx only first derivative. No more second derivatives and third derivatives. But what is degree? Degree is highest derivative of the power. So in this example, dy by dx is power is 2. So that why the degree of the differential equation is 2. Next, we observe some more example. d cube y by dx cube plus dy by dx whole square plus y equals to 5x square. So do you observe carefully? In this example, d cube y by dx cube plus dy by dx whole square plus y is equals to 5x square. So here highest derivative is 3. Highest derivative is power. What is power? d cube y by dx cube power is 1. dy by dx power is 2. But what is degree? Degree is highest derivative is power. So highest derivative is d cube y by dx cube. So that's why the degree of the differential equation is 1. So what is order and degree? I will explain once again. Order means highest derivative of the differential equation is known as order, and degree is highest derivative of the power is known as degree. Next we will move on formation of differential equation. So how to formation of differential equation? So for example, we will take what is the general formula of slope of curve. So slope of the family curves general formula is y is equals to mx. So how to write it? Formation of differential equation. So first of all, what is given? Y is equals to mx. So it is differentiation with respect to x. So differentiation means it is dy by dx dy by dx is equals to x differentiation is 1, so that is m. So dy by dx is equals to, in this above y is equals to mx, so m is equals to y by x. That's why in place of we substitute m place lo y by x. So here class multiplication x into dy by dx is equals to y. Then it is x into dy by dx is equals to y. Here first case dy by dx, this is first order. The differential equation is first order. First order is differential equation. Next, formation of differential equation. Now let us take about another example. Y is equals to a cos x plus b. So here a and b are arbitrary constants. Y is equals to a cos of x plus b. Here a and b is arbitrary constants. So first of all, differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to, what is x? What is cos differentiation? Cos differentiation is minus sign, that is minus a sin of x plus b. So it is equation 2. Next again, so it is only dy by dx. Next with respect to again differentiation with respect to x. So it is d by dx. So dy by dx equals to a minus a sin x plus b. Sin of x plus b differentiation is cos. So minus a cos of x plus b. So d into dy and it is d square y by dx square is equals to minus a cos of x plus b. Next, d square y by dx square minus a cos of x plus b is equals to y. So that's why we put it in place of minus a cos of x plus b is equals to substitute in y. So d square y by dx square is equals to minus y. If take right hand side, d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0. In this equation, d square y by dx square, so it is second derivative. So the differential equation is second order differential equation. So second order differential equation. So I hope how to formation of the differential equation. Next we will move on solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation. So many methods you can use to solving of the differential equation. So for example, methods and techniques we use of solving of differential equation. So first of all, variable separable form. First upon variable separable form and variable separable form suitable substitution and homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation by suitable substitution are non-homogeneous differential equation and exact differential equation. Exact differential equation using by integrating factor and linear differential equation. Linear differential equation by suitable substitution and Bernoulli differential equation, method of undetermined coefficients, method of reduction of order, method of variation parameter and solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equation having nth order. So these method we can implement and using or solving of by differential equation. Now let us discuss about first method by using variable separable method. Variable separable method. Variable separable method. First now we discuss about variable separable